Tom's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia C200 for TracFone. So this is a new phone. It's available at Target right now, so if you guys want to check this phone out, a link will be down below, so y'all guys can go to Target and pick this phone up if you guys are interested, or y'all guys can buy it online, which is currently sold out right now online. So the Nokia C200 is now available for $79.99. So this is a budget smartphone. So yeah. So this is what the phone looks like here. I'm gonna try to show you guys the full phone here, the full front of the phone there. So there's the phone right there. Looks very nice. You got your power button, RAM keys on the right side of the phone there. You got your teardrop notch for your front-facing camera there. I do like the wallpaper there. Very nice looking wallpaper. That's probably what, waves or something. So very nice wallpaper. Yeah. Like I said, power and RAM keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side of the Nokia C200 will have your SIM card and micro SD card slot right here on the left. On the right side of the phone, this is the left side of the phone, my bad. Like I said, your micro SD and SIM card slot right here. Camera just stick out there just a bit there in the back, so be mindful of that. And then on the back of the Nokia C200 is your camera setup. Looks like it's just a single rear camera here, along with your camera flash, Nokia logo, TracFone logo, and your speaker there on back. And it looks like it has like a textured back to it, so that'd be good for grip and whatnot. And this is the right side of the phone is your power button, the RAM keys there. Yeah. Then you'll have the front again. Like I said, your teardrop notch, your front facing camera there, a piece above that. So yeah, very nice looking phone, man. It's made of plastic. So this is a budget phone, guys, alright? You can also get a 2-year warranty on this phone. So it's up to you if you guys want to get the warranty. Details on the Nokia C200 has a 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera with flash and 8 megapixel front facing camera, 6.1 inch HD plus display, which is an LCD display, 720 by 1560 pixel resolution, Android 12, which is very nice, face unlock, dual microphones, and 2-day battery life. There is no fingerprint sensor, but you do get face unlock though. I'm gonna let you guys the description real quick here. It says, with its sleek Nordic design, large 6.1 inch screen, and sturdy body, the Nokia C200 from TracFone is perfect for those looking to upgrade their smartphone experience. And with the latest Android 12 OS and 4G speeds, it's got everything you need to stay connected, plus enjoy great features like face unlock, so you can access your phone with just a look, and a 2-day battery. It's showing there's a charge when you need it. Paired with a TracFone plan with unlimited talk and text, with unlimited carryover data, and enjoy unbeatable nationwide coverage on the largest and most dependable networks. Order online today or pick up this great new phone at your local Target store. Alright. Your dimensions are 6.16 inches height, 2.88 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The Nokia C200 weighs 5.82 ounces. Camera features autofocus, automatic flash, front and rear facing cameras. It is a new phone, of course. It's a new condition. It's a touchscreen display, 13 megapixel rear camera, Android 12. You do get the user manual, SIM card, and battery charger. the battery is embedded in the phone. You do need a service plan for this phone to work. Screen resolution 720 by 1560 pixel resolution. It's an LCD display. It is a USB Type-C, which is pretty much standard now. There's your wireless frequency bands there. 1080p video recording. Bluetooth 5.0. 6. So it is a 6.1 inch display. It says 6.09 inch display, but it's not much difference. It's a 2 GHz processor, quad core, IP rating IP52, 32 GB of internal storage. It's a prepaid phone, of course, TracFone. Battery 1 non-universal lithium battery. You do get a 1-year warranty. I think it has 3 GB of RAM on there. It doesn't say the battery. I think it's 5,000 mAh battery. It's either a 4,000 or 5,000 mAh battery. Because it says that you can get this says that you can get up to 2 days of battery life on this phone. So you should get great battery life on this phone regardless, because it only has a 720p display anyway. So you should get great battery life regardless. So this phone is not available at TracFone. I am expecting to go to Straight Talk and Total Wireless and other TracFone carriers. I don't know if it's gonna go in the other carriers besides TracFone branded carriers. As far as I know, it's at TracFone, and I think it's gonna go to Straight Talk and Total Wireless and stuff like that. But don't know if it's gonna go to other carriers like Cricket, Boost, or whatever. So right now it's only available at TracFone. So check it out if you guys are interested. So there you guys have it, the Nokia 200 now available at TracFone. You can pick it up at Target. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.